everyone.
Hi everyone.
What are we matching? We're matching the uppercase letters to the
Lowercase letters.
I'm going to show everybody quickly. Okay, so we've got our
We already know how
uppercase letters on the left in blue
that's
and
my
lowercase.
team. Ethan is on my team.
Alright, so
Alicia's on Addie's team.
some rules. Can we flip over the paddle pop sticks?
No!
So we can only match the paddle pop sticks that are facing up to the...
Sky!
That's right. So scissors, paper, rock, Jackson and Alicia.
Scissors, paper, rock.
Oh, that means the boys get to go first.
Yes!
Alright, Jackson, you can gather them all up. Okay, ready, go. Look for your letters, boys. Jackson and Ethan, let's count your points.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Beautiful. What letters did you get?
U and a D and P and W and A and K.
Okay, girls' turn. Alicia, throw it up.
Try to beat them.
Whoa. Alright,
no.
try and have a look for your letters. Boys, how many points do you have? Ethan, can you count your points for me? Big enough, boys?
1, 2, 3, 4, 6.
You've got 6 points. Girls, how many points do you have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Ah, so the boys are beating you by 1 point. Jackson, it's your... Actually, Ethan, it's your turn. You get to throw the paddle pop sticks up in the middle now. Alright, how many points do you have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
13, okay. Now it's the girls' turn. Addie, it's your turn. Last few paddle pop sticks. Let's see who's gonna win. But boys, how many points do you have?
14.
And girls, how many points do you have?
10.
Oh wow, really?
Yes. Yeah. 5, 5, 10.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, Jackson, throw it up. Let's see.
Let's see if I get all of them.
Did you get it?
Yeah, we got 16.
Okay, so boys, how many points do you have?
16.
And girls?
10.
10. So who won?
The boy.
Oh, yay! Thanks for watching, guys.
Thanks for watching, guys.
We hope you try this matching game at home.
We hope you try this matching game at home.
Look out for our next video.
Look out for our next video.
Bye. Click on the links to check out our other videos.
Thanks for watching. Please remember to subscribe for more videos.